The petitioners were optimistic that the Constitutional Court would make a landmark ruling to stamp out the culture of paying bride wealth and dowry. Mifumi, a development and women's rights NGO, filed the suit. The NGO says it did a study in eastern Uganda and found that bride price was responsible for domestic violence, girls dropping out of school, and unmarried youth who choose single lives because they cannot afford it. The petitioners argued that paying for a bride or dowry is contrary to laws upholding human rights locally and internationally.
I would say that some of the principles on bride price have been developed from these judgments, and I believe that people will be able to understand the issue of bride price from the legal perspective.
Court extensively defined bride price, bride wealth, and dowry, and concluded that these terms cannot be used interchangeably to distort a valuable cultural practice. 4 judges found that the petitioners failed to show that bride price was a distasteful culture. Letitia Chikonyogo, the lead judge, ruled that cases of domestic violence due to a misconception of bride wealth or bride price do not necessarily take away the value that many Ugandans attach to the culture. The judges disqualified affidavits by victims of bride price, saying they did not contain concrete evidence.
What they gave in their different judgments, not all the issues were lost. Some of the issues were upheld in the affirmative, like the refund of bride price. It is against the dignity of a woman.
Mifumi has instructed its lawyers to appeal the ruling in the Supreme Court. Frank Walusimbi, NTV Tonight.